Still manually switching between multiple Zalo accounts? DuoPlus with Proxy lets you manage them simultaneously and securely. Once you get your 1-month free cloud phone, head into Proxy Configure. Now grab a Socks5 proxy from a trusted provider. Then copy the whole text to the IP blank. It can automatically identify and fill in the other blanks. Click Check to test if the proxy works. If successful, hit Finish to apply it. Now go back to your cloud phone list and open the phone you just set up. Then please click App here and search Zalo. Here you can one-click batch install Zalo to 2 phones. This way Zalo comes pre-installed on DuoPlus, no extra download needed. Here you see. Open the Zalo app inside your cloud phone, then log in your account like usual. Now you're good to go with total safety. Want to run another account? Just repeat the process on a second cloud phone. Each phone for each Zalo account, safe and independent. Now the new register can get 1 month free cloud phone. Just try now and scale your Zalo outreach safely.